At the family reunion, who we introduce? Who we introduce? Yeah, this my cousin Kobe. He done been like everywhere. The man so ruthless on the court that he done lost all his hair. At the family reunion, who we introduce? Bruh, tell me. All right, y'all can see I'm back in the lab. You know, I'm sick. Kobe. I missed. Yo, what is up, YouTube? It is your boy Sneaker Life, and I'm back with another video. It's basically a tribute unboxing to the man himself, Kobe Bryant. April 13th. You know, Friday the 13th. I'm definitely about to be on my Freddy versus Jason tonight. But today does mark 2 years after Kobe Bryant has retired, which is just crazy. Like, bro, it's been 2 years already? But I figured today is Mamba Day, and I should do an unboxing of probably one of my most favorite retros. And it is the Kobe Bryant Protro Undefeated. Now, don't get me wrong, I did love the camo pair that also released. This was during All-Star weekend, so it was a shoe that was kind of limited. I remember, like, everybody texting me like, oh man, are you downtown? It actually released in downtown LA, and they were handing out wristbands. But like, the white is just saucy, you know, like, it's just clean. You can't ever go wrong with a white pair of sneakers. It's just clean. And you know, today they did release another one, and it was basically it's called the Mamba. It was just a little too basic for me, so that's kind of why I didn't even go for it. Just something that I wouldn't really wear. And a lot of people didn't realize that this shoe was actually more limited than the camos. I believe they only released like 1,000 pairs. And the good news about today is if you're in LA, I heard that they're actually restocking at Undefeated. I think in Silverlake, Brea, and Santa Monica, they're gonna do first come, first serve. So hopefully I get this video up in time where you can run over there. But knowing everyone in LA, they get the word quick, and it's probably sold out. But you know, it doesn't hurt to try, especially if you're close. Now, what I really like about this shoe is specifically that it has just the all white leather upper. It's just super clean to me. And then, you know, with the swoosh, you have a suede material. I really love this shoe, and you guys know when it comes to basketball, this is a shoe that you need to hoop in. Like, I just think this looks stupid just to wear around. I would never just wear these. If I was gonna purchase these, which I have them, I would definitely try to take them to the gym at least once. There's no way I'm gonna wear these out in public just because. It's a hooping shoe. Just like the way the shoe is constructed. Again, shout out to Kickstar Forest for holding me down on these. I was not lucky enough to get them that day. Honestly, I was just too lazy to go wait in line. These lines just get crazy. With this shoe, you have a lot of Undefeated labeling. You have it on the front tongue. You have it right here in the middle of the, I guess you'd want to call this a lace hoop. Then you have it on the side, on the back, and then you have Kobe's number on the inside of the shoe. Just the aesthetics of this shoe, it's pretty dope. You guys know I'm a huge Kobe 9, high elite, like that's what I wear, that's what I hoop with. But you know, for these, I might make an exception. Maybe I'll have to pull out like a performance review because obviously they're gonna keep dropping more, and I'm sure you guys are probably wondering how they feel. There's one thing I know, you know, even though I don't hoop like that anymore, I know a good basketball shoe, bro. I played my whole life. Like, trust me. Trust my word when I tell you a shoe is garbage and when it's good. I swear one of my most favorite performance reviews that I've ever done, which is the only one I've ever done, period, was this. The Jordan, what is this, the 29 or something? I don't even remember. I made a performance review, and I told everyone this shoe is straight trash, and everybody bashed me so bad. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about. You don't even hoop. Blah, blah, blah. I'm waiting for Kick Genius's review and all that stuff, and it's like, bruh. Come to find out, even Kick Genius thought the shoe was trash. Like, bro, why y'all playing with me? Like, I know. I really do this, bro. Like, bro, if you don't hoop with a Wilson Evolution, bro, you ain't a hooper. All right, we got that out of the way. Then we have a gum outsole. I just think the black with the white and then the gum outsole just looks clean. And one thing I love about having a gum outsole is it doesn't really get dirty. Like, you can't notice it. Versus if you have like a white sole, you know, it just gets dirty really quick. You know, they just put a lot of very subtle but great hints to the shoe. I love the black on the back. I love the carbon fiber that they decided to add at the bottom of the shoe, or I guess the side panel. Like I said earlier, the suede, it's just overall a really high quality shoe in my opinion. It is crazy to think that it does retail for $180. That is a little steep. I remember in high school, my shoes, like I'm getting old, but my shoes were $90. I had a black pair and a white pair. They were $90 each, and they were great. But hey, as time goes, shoes get more and more expensive. But if you guys are in Los Angeles, let me know if you were able to pick up a pair, or did you pick up the Mamba ones that dropped today. As far as having these shoes on, they are pretty comfortable. Maybe I should do a performance review. Maybe I should start getting into performance reviews as far as sneakers go and running, to add more of detailed aspect to sneakers in general. I still personally wonder those fly reacts are. Has anybody tried those? Like, I'm still looking to get a pair because I want to run. Yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, man. Happy Friday. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. But this is your boy, Sneaker Life. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it. Yo, Thank you guys so much for watching, man. If you could check out this video or check out this video, I definitely appreciate it. Yeah.